Grab your support level, which is the most previous recent low, break and retest, meaning that you get your breakout to the downside, that you can literally re-enter it again over here. You get what I'm saying? It's risk management to understand how to keep your portfolio from blowing, because you're gonna lose, but you can't lose it all in one single loss. Welcome back to my scalp maxing series. Today we have 2 funded accounts. We're about to pass a 3rd account, and we made over $1,000 on all 3 accounts. It is insane. This month has been such a great month. Now, I know a lot of people online are saying this month is very difficult to trade. I'm not sure what your trading style is, but my trade setups and my trade style in this kind of market have been simple, super confident in my trades, and almost too easy. Like, I haven't even taken a loss lately. So let me show you guys the exact trade that I took to make me $1,000 in a single trade. Yeah, you heard that right, in a single trade. One time, somebody dumb told me that they're more impressed by somebody taking 10 trades to make $700 than somebody making 1 trade $700. That was about the dumbest thing I've ever heard somebody comment on my video. And I gotta admit it, that's pretty stupid, because that same guy would probably say he's more impressed by somebody taking 10 trades to make $1,000 than me making $1,000 in 1 trade. That doesn't make any sense. But let's break down this trade and show you guys exactly how I made this, and hopefully that guy's watching too, so he can learn too, because he's probably losing more than $100 per trade. So this is the exact strategy that I use every single day to trade and make money, guys. Please look at my charts and digest it. Notice how clean it is. There's no indicators, no fancy extra charts. I'm not telling you to have a side chart here watching for some SMT, none of that. Literally, it's so simple. Grab your support level, which is the most previous recent low. As you can see here, all I did was grab this wick here, that wick here, extend it out, and that's it. That's all I did. And then what do you do? Well, you wait for what I call a breakdown. This is a breakout candle to the downside. Then what do you do, guys? Well, break and retest, meaning that you get your breakout to the downside. Any kind of pullback to that general area, you enter. And this is where I entered. I entered 1 single trade, 1 single contract to the downside, set my stop loss for $250 because I'm willing to risk $250 per trade to try to gain a good amount of money. Sometimes you get stopped out, but lately this month has been great. So immediately pushes to price target right away. And I sell for a nice $1,000 on the day. Now, one thing is look at how clean and look at how simple and look at how respective my kind of trading style is and my trade strategy, that you can literally re-enter it again over here. You get what I'm saying? Market pulls all the way back to this general area, rejects it, shows you that the candle is rejecting here. This candle is a reject candle. They call it a shooting star. They call it an inverse hammer. All you need to understand is at one point, this was a major green buy candle, and sellers took major control, sold it all the way off, and closed it red. That's raw price action. That is reading that sellers are taking control. And what did they do? They did take control. You can see they sold it off, try to buy back one more time, retested this general area one more time for another sell-off, to a little bit of a pullback, to another sell-off. And you can see, where did this retest? At the most previous recent low. Guys, that is how simple I keep my trading. I don't overcomplicate it. I'm not out here throwing fancy indicators or tools or telling you need to watch this, converse with that, diverge with this. None of that. My trading style is so simple and easy that the entry becomes simple. The entry is, I'm so confident in my entries, it doesn't even matter. I don't care. I keep it so simple in the whole trading industry. A lot of people are overcomplicating, having these wild ass trading strategies. I'm not sure what it is, if more complex means better, but I keep it so simple. So if you guys want to learn how to keep it that simple, learn how to trade how I trade every single day, there are 20 people that just recently joined the Discord. What are you waiting for? It's literally 7 days free. You get unlimited access for 7 days, full course from zero to hero, all the way from understanding candlesticks, how to chart down support and resistance levels, how to understand the high-low concept, which is really just break of structures in the markets, to understand reversals, and then using the break and retest strategy as an entry to find out where your entries are. Last but not least, chapter 5 is risk management, to understand how to keep your portfolio from blowing, because you're gonna lose, but you can't lose it all in one single loss. For example, if you make $300 in one day, you can't lose $500 on the next, and then make $250 on the next day, and then lose another $500 on the next. It's backwards. Let me show you guys how. 7 days free. Join it. If you like it, stay. If you don't, exit. It's free. You have nothing to lose. So I'll see you guys in there. I'll catch you guys on the next one.